This is one of the most beautiful coolers I have seen so far. It is a dark matte color and it has like a glossy look over here on the top. This is like the I would say that's not really the power button, it's more the adjustment. So what you do is you basically hold it for a couple seconds, and then what you do is then you can adjust the temperature. You leave it alone for a couple seconds and then it goes back to whatever number it is, and then it'll slowly start going to whatever the adjustment you did. Then you have the light, and then this is an up and down button. The light is beautiful, it really is. Now this looks, so far through my camera, it's just like blue and it's really bright, but it's really not. It really isn't. It's just my camera picking up that blue, but it's really spacious. It has a handle on the side, and this is how it looks inside. It has a light, and these are adjustable. You can take them off or leave them as is. Very nice for maybe a wine cooler, or if you're like me, I'm gonna be using this in my kids' room, and I'm gonna probably just put like water bottles, but it's fairly a good size. I absolutely love it. I love it. And there's literally no noise to the fan in the back. No noise. It's so quiet.
Look at this. I love this wine cooler by KingChii. I have it right next to my little bar area. Now, I have mine on carpet, but I put like some plywood at the bottom. You will need that because there's only 3 legs on it, and the hinge here at the bottom, so therefore you can open it and close it nicely. But anyway, it gets so cool. I love it. I even have some sodas here at the bottom, and it's super cold, really nice and cold. These easily come in and out. I love this thing, guys. It's so nice. Turn the light on. You can get your display, as you can see. And yeah, you can take it up if you want to, up and down. I forgot, I think you have to hold on to there. But anyway, I love that. The color, the way it cools, and all you have to do is plug it in. It's really nice. Again, I was really excited about this purchase. Again, the main thing here is if you put it on a flat surface, you're gonna be fine. But if you're gonna put it on something like carpet, just get a piece of plywood here so it won't be leaning. But other than that, you're in for a nice treat with this very nice one.
Okay, I wanted to take a look at this wine cooler really quick. It's pretty simple. It's gorgeous, but it's so simple to operate. These are the buttons at the top. You have the up and down to change the temperature. This button is the light. It turns the light on. And if you press and hold, it will change from Fahrenheit to Celsius. We don't want it on Celsius, so we're going to change it right back. Press and hold, back to Fahrenheit. And then this here locks the panel, so if you have kids around, you don't want them messing with the temperature, you just press and hold and it'll lock the panel, so you wouldn't be able to change that temperature. Again, the light stays on for 10 minutes or until you turn it off. So let's check the inside. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of these, and you can put 2 bottles in each one. Now, the bottles are like your regular bottles. The larger bottles, like I have a Brute in here that's one of these larger bottles. I had to put it at the top. Now you can always take these out, so if you don't want it, it's easy to just slide it out, and that gives you a lot more space if you have like the larger bottles. But overall, it does a great job at cooling, and it cools very quickly, and it is gorgeous and very compact. I'm trying to figure out which corner of the bar to put it in, but like it will fit in the corner very easily. Hey everybody, I'm here to review this KingChii Thermoelectric wine cooler. So, pretty decent size. It's small, but certainly doesn't take up too much space. Door opens very easily. It's very quiet and fits wonderfully standard size wine bottles. So it has little drawers so that you can slide it open and pull out what you need. This does come fully out, but I've noticed that when bottles are inside of it, it doesn't slide out easily, and I don't know if that's maybe like a safety mechanism, but either way, makes the wine bottles still very easily accessible. So it chills very quickly too. When I started it up, it took it about 10 minutes to get to 65 degrees, so definitely feels cold. You have different settings depending on your needs, as well as a light that you can turn on and off to see what's in there. Overall, it's a really great cooler.
Alright, if you can hear, there's a little bit of a fan back there. It's very quiet. And then that's when the door is closed. Sorry for the reflection. But I have it at 51. I was just trying to see how cold it would be. It works well. There's a light, so if you want to see inside. And then okay, it's not working to change. Oh yeah, so you can obviously change the temperature with these.
Bigger glass down below. Champagne. Took out the bottom rack to fit the larger bottles. Definitely still fits larger size Magnum Bordeaux size bottles perfectly with no problem. Great fridge. Thanks again, guys.
Okay, I'm gonna show you. It's really simple, very cool. There's champagne in there. It can definitely fit like the bottles that are a little bit bigger and the bottles that are normal. And then you can adjust everything super easy, turn the light on. It's honestly perfect and it's very sleek and chic.
My new wine cooler.
Looks pretty.